Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. This time I'm going to talk about how we can use the Excel internal spell check to test whether whatever we entered into our worksheets is actually correct. For this, you can go to Review, and here on the left we have the part Proofing. So we have a thesaurus, which you can use to find different words, and in particular the part Spelling, which is our spell check. And here he tests, well, either what I selected, or I can also use this to check the whole sheet. And as you can see, he might have some problems with the names, but he doesn't have any problems with the words up here yet. Well, that's due to the fact that as a dictionary language at this point, I selected English. That's the point where you can go down here to manually select which language actually works. So as you can see here, we have in the standard version English, French, German and Spanish. I forgot Italian as well. So that's the standard languages. So if you want to use a different language, you might have to add this by hand via the option add dictionary, which is not available in this dialog, but can be done manually with correct in regard to the corresponding folders. So this works fine. Even if you haven't installed English, Spanish as a language, you can still use the corresponding spell check. So they are independent of the language you use. So here I'm using the English Excel version, but I could still also go and use, for example, the Spanish or Italian spell check. Well, that's already everything that can be said with regard to the spell check. So if you want to see additional insights on Excel, feel free to visit the rest of this course or have a look in the corresponding playlist. I say goodbye and see you next time.